Oh God. There we go. There we go. There's one. No skunk today. Dude, it was just branch, branch, branch. Dude, I just kept running into branches. He wasn't coming off of there though. First fish of the day. I guess I should probably intro on that one, huh? We're out here, a little lake in West Texas, doing a little fishing. Lake's getting pretty low. Don't know how much longer we'll be able to come here, but for right now, fish are biting apparently. I was hoping it was going to be a bigger one than that, coming off of a 6-inch battle shad, but fish is a fish right now. We're on the board. Got a whole host of swim baits today. Got the tiny tum as usual. Got the BB shad, the UFO tied on. It might still be a little early for the UFO, but it's gonna be close. It just depends on how the day goes. It might be a later in the day kind of bait. It is a very chilly morning. It's gonna get up to like 60 something today, but for right now it's in the 40s. I'm sitting in 6 foot of water right now. Behind me is about 11-12 foot of water, and in front of me is like 3 foot of water. So it's a gradual incline here. Oh, yep, he got him. Oh, it came off of there. He followed it right up. I shad up in these trees, and they just got bull rushed by one. So, yep, there he is. Got him. Little dinkers, man. That's super fun. Got one on the tiny tum. All right, sun's not even up. I've already had 3 fish on these big baits. Awesome, man, awesome. See you later, little dude. Thanks for biting. What's really cool is, like as you can see here, I mean, I'm covered up in sticks, man, and these tiny tum just bulldozing right through them. I'm not having any issues. Cold air temps. It's actually a lot warmer water temps than it is air temps right now, which shouldn't surprise anybody for being in Texas. We're kind of in that time of year where it's super cold in the morning, pretty uncold, you know, in the afternoon. Let's see if I can't get a fish to come slurp this thing up right off the bank. See, right here is where I caught a fish off this. This was underwater. The water was like up to here. It's probably, yeah, it's probably dropped almost 3 feet since last time I was here. I still like this bank. I'll come back to it later with a diving bait. All right, let's go find Jared and see what he's doing. All right, I'll shut you eyes off for a minute.
I had to chill, man. I gotta let the sun come out and hit me.
That's what I thought.
My finger is just done.
Dude, I was like, man, he's either over there trying to get out of the wind, or he's over there because that's where those fish are.
No, I went around them. Like I said, I left them alone. I didn't want to blow through them or anything.
Yeah, I skirted on the outside of the trees over there and caught 2 more on the tiny tum. Yeah, this thing, man, I already got tore up.
Hell yeah.
Dude, like it's phenomenal. We are working this too hard to not be getting bit.
They were on beds. He would you couldn't see nothing out here. It was real muddy that year.
first cast with the underspin.
Yeah, there's a lot more fish around here.
I just need to be bigger. Ooh, donk. I am recording. Look at that. Dink City, baby. There he is. Got one. There we go. Ouch, you little bastard. That hurt. Pretty though. Right where I am should be like 4 feet. There's a square bill fish. Well, I knew there'd be one on that bank. I'm glad I came back to it. I told y'all I was gonna come back to this bank and throw a square bill down it. Later. All right, well, GoPro battery died, and I forgot to change it before making another juicy cast over here. And the old square bill does her again, catching us another nice fish. Healthy, beautiful. Catching them, even if they're little, beats not catching them. I can't argue with that. Pretty. That one's pissed. Hey, Jared's on. That's 2 fish right here in this spot. We're fishing a bluff wall right now. There, that's deep.
Yeah, it's deep right here.
It's gotta be at least 8-9 feet. I gotta throw some that sinks. There we go. There we go. That's what we need.
Oh yeah.
It's time for it. Didn't think we were gonna be fishing bluff walls today, I'm gonna be honest with you.
That's the perfect bait for it.
Well, my perfect bait's gone.
Damn, how'd that happen?
It broke off of my my reel, so I had a pretty.
Oh no.
Yeah, I had a pretty big nick in my line.
Oh. Okay.
That's a bummer. Forgot to turn the GoPro on, so that's cool. That's all right though. It's not like it's a giant, but got another one here. See ya. Oh, there we go. There we go. No, it just got wrapped up in the trees like crazy. Seemed to be this edge though. Another one. See ya. We're on the underspin now. It's been quite a day. Fighting wind. The wind's actually died off. So we're out here in the main trees, or in trees right in the middle of the lake, trying to find a big one. And we know there's little ones that are just kind of roaming. I just missed another one a little bit ago. I've caught a few of them now. Caught them on underspins, square bills. Caught them on a couple bigger swim baits, the Tiny Tom, Battle Shad, 6.0. And we're catching some fish, not a lot of fish, but No giants yet, but we're still hunting for them. We're still on the hunt. There he is. Got him that time. Got him. Got him. There we go. Another one. Another one on the underspin. Look at that. Heck yeah. Very beautiful fish. See you later. See you later. Got him that time, dang it. I knew he was still around there somewhere.
Oh my god, bro. I got like a 20-pound catfish.
Do you really? Oh, Jared's got a giant catfish on. Here, I can net him so we don't have to worry about losing your shit. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, damn it, wind.
Here you go. I'll bring him to you. You're good.
Yeah. Oh, no. There we go. Oh, bro. That's an eater. This thing's got an EWG stuck in the corner of his mouth.
This episode. Holy shit.
Got it. Your spinnerbait's still good.
Is it?
Yeah. All right, well, there's Jared's big old kitty cat. There you go, man.
Yeah, I thought it was a lot bigger. When I first hooked him, I thought it was twice that size.
Yeah. Ready to say goodbye?
Oh yeah, you can let it.
There he goes.
Yeah, when he turned on his side, he was so wide. He looked like he was deeper than he was. That's what it was.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I stayed on the lake way too long and did not take the time to do an outro while I was out there. So as you can see, we're back at home, and the day went rather expected, I think. We were really trying to get into some bigger fish. You know, we were fishing the main structure closest to the deep water in the lake. The lake was super low, so there was a lot of space that, you know, in past years we've done really well on that was just plain out of the water. So, you know, what can you do? That's nature for you sometimes. We caught them on a variety of things today. I caught them on a soft body swim bait, a crank down swim bait, underspin, square bill. Jared caught them on soft plastics, some spinner bait fish. You know, they were biting a whole horde of things. We just couldn't run into a big one today. And if you guys have any comments, questions, anything like that, drop them below. You know, I love hearing from you guys. I love getting feedback, input. And without further ado, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.